Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this fantastic Toyota Prius 1.8 VVT-h 8.8kWh Excel CVT. Now this vehicle is currently run 65,462 miles and it's finished in the colour pure white. Now it does come with 2 previous services. It's a very fuel efficient vehicle. It does sit very nicely on 15-inch alloy wheels. It does feature LED headlights which light up the road nicely. Taking a look at the boot here, you do have 360 litres of boot space. There is also a compartment where you can store your charging cable. Taking a look inside to the rear of the vehicle, you do have a lovely cloth interior with contrasting white stitching. There are ISOFIX points so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. There's a pull-out armrest there in the middle seat with 2 cup holders. Taking a look inside to the front of the vehicle here, you have your leather multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable. Your multifunction steering wheel here with controls for the infotainment system, along with controls for your trip display as well. You've also got access to your radar cruise control and lane departure warning. Down below here you do have your park assist feature. Accessing this, you've got 2 choices of parking spaces you wish to enter. Simply follow the instructions as the vehicle parks itself. You do also have a heads-up display which shows driving data on the road ahead of you. You do have your trip display here in the centre of the dashboard. You've got access to your different driving data there. You can also access additional menus as well, including navigation, audio, your climate control. You also have your driver assist screen, vehicle messages and some settings as well. On the settings here, you've got access to features including your lane departure assist, along with your front collision warning, and also even your parking sensors, as well as your blind spot monitoring as well. It does have some excellent safety features to keep you safe on the road. In the centre of the dashboard here, you've got your touchscreen infotainment system where you do have access to DAB, FM and AM radio, along with the option for connecting your own source of audio with USB, auxiliary inputs and Bluetooth audio as well. You do have your telephone menu here where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, keeping you up to date with whatever you need to and ensuring you don't miss any important phone calls. You can also connect your smartphone through MirrorLink. You do have navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to new places very easily. It's a very handy touch to have. Moving on to your information here, you do have your trip information. You can also see your energy monitor for the hybrid system. This Prius does come equipped with a reverse camera as well to make parking super easy. You do have your dual zone automatic climate control here underneath the display. Underneath there you'll find your different driving modes. You have your full electric mode along with your standard driving modes of eco, normal and power modes. So you can change the performance and handling of the vehicle. Next to this you'll find your automatic gear selector. Underneath you'll find your wireless charging pad where you can charge your device up very easily without needing to fiddle around with wires. You also have your heated front seats here with a choice of 2 temperature options to keep you warm and comfortable on the road. 2 cup holders there as well.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.